Hello, dear friends. How are you? Hope you all be fine. Today we are going to review car insurance app. So we click on the Play Store app, and as you can see, we have opened and now search car insurance app. So friends, as you can see, now we are searching car insurance app, and you can see the interface. You can scroll it down and click on the TPL insurance. This is very best app for insurance, especially car insurance, and you can see the review of people as 4.6 and about 100,000 plus downloads of this app. So this app is very beneficial, and you have to download it first, then you have to open it. I have downloaded it, and I click on open button to open this app. Now we are opening the app, and here you can see stay covered on the go. Here I click on get started, and I have to put my mobile phone numbers. So as you can see, I have given my phone number and simply click on the continue button. Now it is sending a verification code to my phone number, and now I have to enter my code number. As you can see, my code number has arrived, and it's 193664. So I simply put this number in the passcode 1936 and 64. Now I have to write my name in the below section. As you can see, I am giving my name as well as my email, and then referral code. It is optional. It means that you can give it as an optional code that you can remember. So I simply put this code also and click on the continue button. Now I have my home page opened, and as you can see here, you can buy any type of insurance. First you have to click on these essential things because it will understand you better. Now as you can see, you can buy any type of insurance including car, travel, home, mobile, health and bike insurance. Now let's come to some valuable features like inviting someone, marketplace, renewal, and other things. Here I click on my policy. You can get your policy by giving your CNIC number, your ID card number. Okay, now I scroll it down and click on car insurance detail. As you will give car manufacturer name. As you get car manufacturer, it means which type of car you have, car model, car variant, year of manufacturer, and some insured. Okay, now after giving all these mandatory information, you can click on next button, and you will provide other informations to insure your car. Same process as taking for other type of insurance. Okay, like mobile insurance and many other things. So friends, this app is so amazing, and you can buy any type of insurance, about 6 types of insurance including car, health, and travel, mobile, home, and other type of insurance. So this app is very beneficial as I think it, and the way of using it is very simple. Friends, here you can type any message by clicking the message portion, and you can type any type of message you want to give to the insurance company or the insurer. So this was a little bit information about it. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video.